After my diagnosis, gardening was a godsend because it was really therapeutic.
Got nice bluebells as well, Diana. Where do you want? Here?
Somewhere there.
Like here?
Gardeners have a long history of sharing stuff with each other, sharing their knowledge, sharing their stories, sharing their produce, sharing their flowers. It's a very generous thing, gardening, and in terms of health benefits, it's great for your cardiac fitness and your respiratory health.
And there is evidence that like 30 minutes, an hour of gardening is like, you know, playing a game of badminton or an hour in the gym.
They've worked out the calories, so...
I'm thinking about cancer specifically.
Yeah.
Obviously there's more and more evidence coming out about how physical activity can not only reduce your risk of primary cancer, you know, getting cancer in the first place, but certainly for some cancers it can significantly reduce the risk of that cancer coming back.
It's such a wonderful thing to be out in the fresh air. I think I come out and do a bit of weeding for half an hour, and I'm usually here for 2 hours. Get to talk to neighbours, get to hear the birds. It's cathartic, it's a godsend.
This year we're passing £20 million given to Macmillan, and that's money that's all been earned from people opening their gardens, selling slices of cake and cups of tea. The beautiful thing about the National Garden Scheme is it comes from ordinary people like you and me and like Diana, and we just like to go to visit a garden on a Saturday. The more people that go and do that on a weekend or when they've got some free time, the more money we can raise and the more benefit Macmillan will get.
Shall we plant this?
Let's get this
Shall we
in.
plant this? Are you happy with it here, Diana? All right, I might need somebody to come with me with the soil.
You've done a great hole.
It's not a bad size hole.